If your Photoshop toolbar is missing, out of place, or you accidentally deleted it, here's how to fix it fast. First, if the toolbar disappears while editing or you move it by mistake, you can restore it instantly. Go to Window, then Workspace, and click Reset Workspace. This will bring the toolbar back to its default position. If you change the toolbar layout and want to undo those changes, go to Edit, select Toolbar, and choose Restore Default, which will reset all tools to the default Photoshop layout. Or you can load a preset to restore a saved setup if you want to save your current one. Make sure to save a preset anytime you customize your toolbar so you can quickly load it again later. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.